That's right.
Not happy.
MashaAllah.
Yeah.
Taco for dog. Are you
Oh, look at that. You found it.
I found it.
That means we can fix your car.
Get the bird! Get the bird! Go get it! Get it! Get it! Get it! Oh! Come here! It's come!
Well, just as I thought, trash.
I can feel my face. I can feel my face. I wish you would find your chill, cause Lord knows this shit get real. And for this price, you know you kill. Man, it's big bracket. 私はあなたと心中するために今日まで生きてきたのです。きっとそうです。だぜ。ああ。
我看鸡怪气的，气的不轻。王鸡怪，你来我这儿吧，来。
Muchas gracias, afición. Este es para vosotros.
my stupid heart. Don't know, I tried to let you go so many times before. Then wound up back into my stupid heart. Too late, already on my way. If we were down friends, I'll get that new cup in my stupid heart.
Is he real? Yeah, it's a dog.
Oh my god, I thought he was dead. Oh my god, I'm like, why is he?
He's alive and well. He just likes to play dead.
Oh, I've never seen a dog do that before.
Yeah,
He's a world champ at playing dead.
I guess so. It's hilarious.
Eating Ellie with steak and chicken. Ellie, you can taste it. Good taste. Taste. Good taste. Wait. Good wait, honey. Let's pick your reward. Ready? Get set. Take it. A steak.
Respectfully, all my niggas ballin' like Curry.
Entran ladrones a casa y vienen a robar y vos estás acá y sé que sos un perro fuerte, aguerrido. Ponele que sacan un arma, así, y te dicen, te voy a matar. No, y...
Here we witness the miracle together.
Are you serious? That hit my paw. Is there a problem? Can we go?
Show me someone that lives in your house rent-free.
Walking you or you walking me? Oh, I'm walking you.
Det är roligt. Nej men gud.
Förlåt, who let the dogs out?
His tail. Oh.
Que no. 大郎，起来喝药。
Where's this coming from? You scared the absolute shit out of me, Tiny Cat. Oh my god. Hey, are you okay? Are you okay? I'll get you down. I'll get you down. Give me a second. Are you okay? You okay? It's okay. It's okay. It's fine. Get you down from this high height. It's okay. Relax. It's fine. You'll be fine. You're so cute. What happened to your tail?
Eat your
Berries and cream. Berries and cream.
I ain't tweaking, right?
Say yeah.
Y'all heard that too. The dog said no you ain't.
I'ma sell you. Put you up for sale. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yes.
Hey, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing?
Oh, there's a fucking dog. Can I have it? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes. I'm keeping it. I'm keeping it.
Ma'am. Ma'am, that is not ladylike.
Darcy?
Oh no, I hope I don't fall. Can't no hoe tell me shit. Cause bitch, I'm the shit. Oh, my mom and my sis had to kick my own blood out.
You dare speak to me in that tone of voice, boy?
Tell me your cats are spoiled. Without telling me your cats are spoiled, I'll start.
Ranger, stop sitting on the baby.
She don't want you by her. No tengo perro. You seen Betty's new eyebrows? They're horrible. He's right behind me, isn't he? Oh, the love. Oh, the love. Oh, the love. Oh.
All right. We get smell already. 1, 2, 3. Cheese.
Of fat lord.
Oh!
Respectfully, all my niggas ballin' like Curry.
Have something to discuss with you. The neighbor come by the door and complain that you listening to me? Yes, the neighbor complain you're doing your business in she garden. What I tell you about that? Somebody ratted you out. Alright, here what we could do, right? You could do it in the neighbor garden, but you have to do it when she not home. I will tell you when she not home, right? Yeah, because she's my boy. Mwah.
It's going down. I'm getting timber. You better move. You better dance. Let's make it nice. You won't remember. I'll be the one. You won't forget.
Guinness, there's this girl outside talking shit and she has got her dog. Guinness, She's got her dog. So you're gonna have to handle it. Are you gonna handle it?
On me. Go ahead, be gone with it. Go ahead, be gone with it. Look at those hips. Go ahead, be gone with it. You make me smile. Go ahead, be.
Hey. Hey, handsome. Hey, handsome. Oh.